Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgette Francis and this is Beauty and the Budget. You may be noticing something different about me right about now, and that's because I cut my hair off on the relaxed hair and I'm springing back my natural hair. So I'm once again on a natural hair journey. No, even though I'm on my natural hair journey, I like to mix things up a little bit every once in a while. So this leads me to my wig try on, guys. Yay! So today we will be trying on the model clean cap protective style, and this is style number 19 in number 99J. That's the color. So the color is 99J and the style is number 19, and it's the model clean cap style. No, because I'm bald-headed, gotta keep my wig on. So I actually ended up getting a wavy silicone wig band, and this little doodad is supposed to help to keep the wig on my head, right? So on this side it has silicone, which is kind of a plasticky feel for grip, and on the other side it's very slick, right? So they didn't come with instructions, but I am going to try putting the silicone part on my head part because it is the slipperier of the two. It's kind of, I think that's the way that makes most sense, because you want to keep the wig secured to your head, right? Oh cool, it can kind of double as a headband. So what? I am styling out in the streets. Hey, look at that, look at that. Okay. I am forming a full fool right now, a whole fool. All right, so this is it, guys. So the silicone part is on the underside and the cloth side is up here. We will know if I did this right if my wig flies off in public. So this is the box that the wig came in. It's actually coming out now because I'm frightened. I'm gonna pull it out. But so this is the box. So as you can see, it says model 99J. Now 99J is a color that I like because it is like a dark root with twinges of like a purplish cranberry color. So this is the girl, y'all. Check it out. And this is a synthetic bob. Now before I put it on, I'm going to show you what the cap construction is like. Now it is on a mesh cap construction. You have the back here with the tag model. So of course you will always know, if the bangs didn't tell you, where the back is. And it has the hooks. I nearly said the bra strap hooks. It's the wig hooks. So you have the wig hooks right here. And as I said, it's a mesh cap. There are no combs in it, so God bless you and the wind. But let's see how it fits, and then I can give you guys more of a in-depth review. But for now, this is just a try on. I like how it feels on my hand. So let's see, huh? Let me just start here. Am I the only one that does this? Puts on my wigs like from the back. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Oh my God! Yes! I am loving this like Burger King, y'all. Look here. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. Wow. All right, check the color. All right, so the fit. I don't have a big head. Don't have a small head either, but so it will fit an average size head. It fits very snug, and the thing is, it's fitting snug, and the band is at the loosest, so it will fit the average size head. But I'm liking this. I mean, Everything will drop out. Alright, I foresee that will be the only problem, the wind blowing on my lip stuff. So guys, of course, you know, when you're wearing this, when you're wearing this wig, you're going to be wearing a matte lip. Do not wear any gloss, because when the wind blows and it clap onto your lip, the world will know your business, right? But this is good. This is what it looks like from the back. Right? And it has a nice fall to it. Let me turn it to the other side. I'm sorry, I can't hear you over there, so let's look this way. Yeah, guys. So this is a win. This is a win. Model. Yeah, it's a win. I approve this wig, and I will be happy to add her in my arsenal. I did say arsenal of wigs, with a note to not wear a matte lip, so it's dry and tacky, but you keep the color. Can I do this? Yes, I can. Hey, and the beauty about this thing is it covers so well. What? I can do things. And this is a synthetic wig, so it's not human hair, but the good, I really like synthetic wigs. Sometimes synthetic wigs get a bad rap, but I like them. I like human hair too, but I like my synthetics because it keeps the color, it keeps the curl, you know, it keeps the style. So unless you went and did something to it, well, it will keep the original shape. But what I'm looking for, I'm actually looking to see if this is safe for curling irons, but I don't see where it says that it is safe for curling irons, because you know that you have some synthetics that are curling iron safe or flat iron safe. This does not appear to be one of them. So use at your own risk. I wouldn't touch it though. I think it's perfect. It's perfect for work. You're running out the door, and yeah, I'm loving it. So let me know in the comments what you think, and is this a win for you? Let me know. But I'm loving this. Alright guys, so take care and see you next time on Beauty and the Budget.